If you are looking for the most simple possible way to quickly pinpoint water leaks, watch this video. We'll demonstrate just how fast and easy it is to find the exact location of a water leak using Sniffer430. This will work on leaks deep underground, under thick concrete slab, under tile, in wall, and pool leaks. Our customers have had successful detections at depths even greater than 10 feet. Best of all, you won't need any special training to use it. The system does not need to be calibrated. You simply turn it on, and you are ready to go. Sniffer430 is an advanced tracer gas water leak detector. This means it works using hydrogen tracer gas to pinpoint the exact location of hidden water leaks. When you pressurize a water line with tracer gas, the gas will escape through the leak. The extremely small hydrogen molecules are smaller than the pores in the materials surrounding the leak, so the hydrogen will easily penetrate through and make its way to the surface. The tracer gas is a blend of 5% hydrogen and 95% nitrogen. This gas is non-toxic, non-flammable, and environmentally safe. It can be found at your local gas or welding supply store. And you do not need to drain the water line to use it. Sniffer430 has a state-of-the-art hydrogen sensor that is extremely sensitive. It will allow you to locate the exact spot the tracer gas is exiting the pipe, which is the location of the leak. Tracer gas detectors are the gold standard for water leak detection. They have many advantages over acoustic detectors or thermal cameras. So let's demonstrate the full process. First, identify the water line that is suspected of leaking. Isolate the line by shutting off the water main. Connect your tracer gas cylinder to any point in the water line, ideally closer to where you suspect the leak to be. This can be a hose bib, a water faucet, or any connection along the line you can create. To pressurize the water line with the tracer gas, monitor the pressure as you slowly open your gas valve. You only need a small amount of gas to start flowing in. Now that the pipe is pressurized with gas, turn on your Sniffer430 screen and sensor. The sensor will take a moment to warm up, then it will connect to your screen. Press the pump button to start the air pump in the sensor. You will keep the pump on as you search for the leak. Walk through the property searching suspected areas. Keep the sensor low to the ground and moving slowly, giving it time to suck in the air. Sniffer430 will quickly alert you by showing the gas reading increase if it picks up even a slight amount of gas. This means you found a leak. Now, all you need to do is pinpoint the source. Continue to take readings in the suspected area. Your goal is to identify the point with the highest concentration of tracer gas readings. This will most likely be the source of the leak. You can press the Take a Reading button on your sniffer screen to help you remember the readings in the various spots you searched. In this example, we created a leak in a section of PVC and buried it close to 2 feet deep. You can see how the gas readings change as we get closer to the exact spot of the leak. Notice how even from very far away, Sniffer430 starts to get gas readings. The sensitive hydrogen sensor makes it very easy to pick up on that gas and guide you to the target. When you identify the spot with peak readings, you found the most likely source of the leak, and it's time to dig. Be very careful not to pick up dust or to get your sensor wet as you dig. This will harm your sensor. With Sniffer430, you can turn a multi-day leak search into a 30-minute process. The accuracy of this system will save you strength and energy, as you only dig where it is necessary to get to the leak. Your customers will appreciate the confidence you give them when the moment comes to excavate in their property. Sniffer430 is the best way to grow your plumbing services business. You can provide a premium service to your customer and expand your team without complex training. Choose Sniffer430 for the fastest and most accurate water leak detections.